Nice and cool inside.
Guys, I hate to rain on your parade, but I don't feel like I belong in a fridge.
And I feel like I should really be in a purse or a pocket.
I always dreamed of being on someone's foot. We can't split up. We're a family. We were packaged together. We traveled all the way to Tiffany Bliss's house together. And now we belong in the fridge of destiny together. Okay, I just want to say I may or may not have potty water dripping from me. Do you really think I belong in a fridge? Plunger, you're my sister. Of course I think you belong in the fridge. Okay, but as long as you know, I'm not responsible for the smell. Don't be silly. You're pink and sparkly. How bad can you smell? That's true. I've always thought I smelled like strawberries.
That smells not strawberries.
Come on, guys. We stick together. Let's knock on the door.
Okay, but I've heard of gum being in the fridge before, and sometimes it gets all hard and yucky and brittle. I really don't want to end up that way.
Not you too, Gum. You have to come with us. We can always put you in the microwave to make you soft again.
Okay.
Plus, you'll stay fresh longer in the fridge.
Will my bubbles be bigger?
No, they won't.
Oh.
You're a bad breath gum, Gum. You're not a bubble gum. You're for first dates and business meetings.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Now knock on that door and show them how it's done.
Oh, Soda, I'm so happy we have new guests. Hurry and invite them in.
You rang.
Hi, we were just wondering, can you please let us live here?
Yes, please follow me. We have room for more.
Even a plunger that drips potty water? And a bunny slipper?
And a pack of gum?
Yes, all are welcome here.
Hee-haw!
All right!
The toys in this video are from a Shopkins Season 2 5-pack. Each package has 4 different Shopkins inside and 1 blind bag Shopkins. In this package, I got Yummy Gum in green and white, Bun Bun Slipper in yellow, Cupcake Chic in green, Boohoo Onion in orange, and the ultra rare Glitter Shopkins Peta Plunger in pink. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe. See you next time.